Say hi to the camera. So, my wife and I are going to the gun show. The gun show. This might be the last one before the elections, so I know things are gonna either be at a good price or they might price gouge.
Vigilant at all times.
So, she says vigilant at all times. Well, you know, they used to have here before, like a bunch of groups of people here, like selling stuff, merchandise outside. Obviously not gun related stuff.
There's signs everywhere that reads no loaded sign.
So, what do you think? What do you like?
I love it. Look at that one. I love it.
Ah. So it looks like something, but it's something else. So it could be like a frame on the wall.
Yeah, so it just looks like a picture. Yeah.
That's amazing.
That's easy. That's a new bodyguard. I like it.
It's cute.
I do like the Shield Plus though, but that's just. Oh wait, the battery's not. Okay.